Hello, I'm Dave Hamlin with Serene Water Gardens. I'm going to show you how we transform this client's backyard with a small koi pond. After this video, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like or unlike button. And if you like seeing these kind of transformations, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
This was the view from his backyard patio. Although it was a small space, we wanted to bring it to life with a low-maintenance, ecosystem koi pond. We thought this would provide a beautiful, serene place to relax and entertain. The client and I agreed on a small waterfall, starting at the top of this berm and emptying into a 6x9 pond. The first step was to mark the layout of the pond along with the components. Here, the peanut shape represents the space of the pond, and the square space represents the skimmer box and pump housing. The skimmer box will be buried and placed at the edge of the pond, and a pump will sit in the bottom of the skimmer box. The pump will draw water in through the skimmer box, where debris can be mechanically removed from a basket, and then push the water through a 2-inch pipe up to the top of the waterfalls. This will allow the water to recirculate for optimal filtration. This is where our waterfalls will start. Here, you can see Aaron and Michael installing the waterfall vault. This will hold filter mats and provide an area for beneficial bacteria to colonize, helping to keep the water crystal clear. After installing the biofalls, we dug out the pond. We then installed a high-quality 45mm EPDM liner and attached it to our skimmer box. Next, we began rocking in the pond. As you can see, we designed this with shelves. The reason for this was so that we would not have to stack too many boulders on top of each other. Digging out shelves provides more stability and is more structurally sound than simply stacking boulders on top of boulders. We also used a mixture of sizes. Too many small boulders would be very unstable, and too many large boulders would take up too much space in a pond this small. The final steps of this build were the details, placing driftwood, cutting excess liner, and blending the edges. We then added lights, a fish cave, some aquatic plants, and finished rocking in the waterfall. Are you ready to see this backyard transformation? This 6-foot by 9-foot koi pond with waterfalls was built using Aquascape products. It includes all of the elements needed to be its own ecosystem, including water circulation, filtration, plants, fish, and gravel. In 2 days, this backyard was transformed from this to this.